Question 4.2. A cheetah notices an antelope 50 meters. I'm going to look at it as 50 point meters, which means this is 2 sig fig here, from where he is, and decides to hunt it. The cheetah starts chasing the antelope at a constant speed of 90, again 2 sig fig, kilometers per hour. The antelope notices instantly and starts fleeing in the same direction at a constant speed of 85 kilometers per hour. Assuming the cheetah can only sustain this speed for 30 seconds before taking a rest, does the cheetah catch the antelope? Okay, I've given a hint about graphing that distance, but we're going to do the maths first. Okay, we're not going to graph it, we're just going to work it out. So there's a couple of ways you can do this. What we'll do is we'll figure out the distance travelled by each animal in 30 seconds, and then see if that is greater than or less than the distance. The difference between that is greater than the initial distance between them. Okay, and if we work out the distance that each animal has travelled, and then subtract those from each other, if the difference in that distance is greater than 50 meters, which was the initial distance between the two, then it means that it hasn't been caught. And if the difference is less, then it means that it has been caught. Okay, let's go and work that out. So I'm actually going to copy and paste this into my notebook here so I can refer back to it. A bit small, doesn't matter. Let's make it a bit bigger, shall we? Too big. Okay, so let's start with the cheetah. So he has, okay, the speed of the cheetah is 90 kilometers per hour. And it travels for 30 seconds. So how far does it travel? Well, speed is distance over time, so distance is speed times time. So I'm going to do distance is equal to speed 90, and I've got to be careful here because I need that to be in SI units to get my distance in meters. Okay, so 90 kilometers per hour is 90 times 1,000 meters. That gives me meters. That's 90,000 meters per hour, and I want it per second. So I know there are 3,600 seconds in an hour. 60 times 60, 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour. So I'm going to divide that by 3,600. Okay, and then of course I'm going to multiply that. Speed is distance. Yeah, so I'm going to multiply that by 30 seconds, and that's going to give me 90 times 1,000 shared by 3,600 divided by 30, 750 meters. Okay. Let's do the same for the antelope. I've got, right, the antelope's going at 85 kilometers per hour. And again, I need to figure out how far it's travelled in 30 seconds, okay? So the distance for the antelope is equal to 85 times 1,000 over 3,600 times by 30. Now in that case it's 85 times 1,000 divided by 3,600 divided by 30. It's travelled 708 meters. Okay. Right.